Welcome back. Now, if you are a Facebook user and you want to broadcast your workshop on Facebook, you can do it. If you go to your posting area and you go to the live video area, what you're going to see here is that you can either create a video event or you can go live directly. We're going to click go live directly, even though the settings are going to be much the same if you're going to create an event. It's just a scheduled version of the live. We're going to click select. What you're going to notice is that we can either connect to our webcam or we can connect to streaming software. And what you're going to notice here is that we have the settings that we are looking for. We have the stream key. And if we click this link that says advanced settings, you're then going to see the server URL. And those are the two bits of information that we need in order to place either in Zoom or in OBS or whatever our broadcast software is going to be. We can watch our feed below so that we know once we've connected our stream key and our server, we'll be able to see our feed here in this area. What you'll notice is that if you're just connecting a webcam, you don't really need to have third-party software in order to do it. However, in most cases, when you're doing a workshop, you're going to be sharing your screen or you're going to be sharing some kind of presentation from your desktop or from your mobile device. If that's the case, you're going to need streaming software to do it, and you're going to click on this button and you're going to use these settings. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.